Guys, welcome to this power vocabulary session. And today we are going to do preposition. Preposition. And guys, preposition is something which is very important, but as well as it is very complex. Many times we feel, you know, confused. Should we use on or should we use off? Or should we use from or should we use for? So this preposition session will help you to understand the whole preposition in a much more easy way. And as we know that preposition is a big chapter, so we are going to learn it slowly, and it will take more than one to some more sessions. So today is the first session on preposition. Right, this is our definition. A preposition is a word used to indicate different relations such as place, time, method, manner, reason, and purpose, possession, direction, and motion. Like example, the books are in the shelf. The books are in the shelf. So the position, it talks about the position, the place. So preposition talks about relation, place, time, method, manners, reasons, purpose, possession, direction, motion. So slowly and gradually we are going to learn. We are not going so fast. We will be going as slow as we can, because the more we will learn, the more we'll be doing, the more we learn, the better. But I don't want to go so fast so that we miss out anything. Preposition is very important. And today we are going to talk about five prepositions, five important prepositions. So if you have your notepad and pen ready, then we are starting today's session. So guys, let's start from the preposition from. 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 In Hindi we call it say. तो हम लोग हिंदी में जब बोलते हैं तो इसका जो हिंदी मीनिंग है वो होता है से. यहाँ से, मैं कोलकाता से आया हूँ, मैं मुंबई से आया हूँ, और मैं मुंबई से हूँ, मैं कोलकाता से हूँ, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. तो जो से हम लोग हिंदी में यूज करते हैं, the same thing we use it when we speak in English. But before I go ahead, I would like to ask Archana. Archana, can you tell me a sentence where you can use from? Yeah, Archana Kumari. Archana Kumari, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me a sentence where you use from? From.
I am coming from Delhi.
Okay, so मेरा sentence मेरे ऊपर ही मार दिया आपने. Okay. Yeah, Sabreen, can you tell me a sentence with from?
I left from the bus stop.
I leave. I
Left
leave.
from the bus stop.
I'm not getting your voice.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, speak loudly.
I left from the bus stop.
Bus stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, but this sentence is somehow not giving the the from location, from which location you are or you are coming from.
Sir, can
Okay.
I make one?
Sir, may
Yes. Just a minute. I know I'll give everybody chances. Yeah, Rishita, tell me.
Sir, I'm improving myself from the beginning level. So can it be appropriate?
Absolutely, you can say that, because that is also positioning changing. Your position few months before and today it is changing. वहां से यहाँ तक. Absolutely, you can say. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, guys, from. Matlab from some place. Like we can say I am coming from Dehradun, or they came from Park, or we are from Dehradun. So we can say that, you know, from some place we are coming, or from some place we belong from. इसका हिंदी जो मीनिंग होता है वो होता है से. You can, if you want, you can write the sentences fast so that you can use it. Okay, now we'll go to the next. Even point of time. That was from some place, but this is called, we are still talking about from. हम लोग अभी भी from के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. The use is point of time. What is point of time? I will work from tomorrow. It talks about the time. Which time? Ram will work from 10. I work from 10 to 5. So from talks about point of time also. Guys, I know that many of you already know this, but still we are starting preposition, so we are starting from the beginning. So for some people it may be a repetition, but you know, the more we repeat, the more we become better and better. And if you anytime if you find it is important, I believe you people are writing also. Okay. Even from the next uses from any source. This use is called from any source. I heard from Ram. I wrote it from the book. So we are talking about the source. कहाँ से सुना, कहाँ से लिखा, कहाँ से पढ़ा, कहाँ से खरीदा, कहाँ से, you know, we can use the source. I heard from Ram. I wrote it from the book. He's buying it from the shop. So it talks about the source also. Okay. Now we'll go to the next. Okay, guys, this is now the from is done. So from के तीन जो हमने देखा uses, from some place, point of time, from any source. Now we'll go to the next one that is called off. And this off is O-double-F off. This preposition is off. यहाँ भी जो हिंदी मीनिंग है वो से आप यूज कर सकते हो. आपको जब मैं सेंटेंस दिखाऊंगा, इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू. प्लेस ऑफ सेपरेशन. जब आप एक जगह से एक दूसरे जगह पे मूव करते हो. एग्जाम्पल, टू गेट ऑफ फ्रॉम द एयरक्राफ्ट. आप एयरक्राफ्ट से उठते हो. टू गेट ऑफ फ्रॉम द एयरक्राफ्ट. आप एयरक्राफ्ट में थे, आप एयरक्राफ्ट से यू आर कमिंग आउट. सो आई गेट ऑफ फ्रॉम द एयरक्राफ्ट. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? आई एम कमिंग आउट. आई एम कमिंग आउट बोलते हैं. तो बेसिकली आप एयरक्राफ्ट से जब निकलते हो या अपने किसी जगह से, जब आप जगह चेंज होता है. एक होता है कार के अंदर, एक होता है कार के बाहर. सो गेट ऑफ मतलब एयरक्राफ्ट से बाहर जा रहे हो, तो प्लेस जो है वो प्लेस चेंज हो रहा है. एयरक्राफ्ट टेक्स ऑफ. एयरक्राफ्ट टेक्स ऑफ. सो एयरक्राफ्ट पहले जमीन पे था, अब उसका पोजीशन चेंज हो रहा है. सो सेपरेट हो रहा है. अभी पोजीशन इज चेंजिंग. टेक्स ऑफ. takes off. I pick the mobile off the bed. कभी कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं from the bed, हो सकता है, लेकिन I can say I pick the mobile off the bed. Off the bed, वहां पे भी मोबाइल का जो प्लेस है वो सेपरेट हो रहा है. I pick the mobile off the bed. So पहले वो बेड में था, अभी वो मेरे हाथ में है. I pick the mobile off the bed. So whenever there is a separation of the place, we can use off. Monkey jumped off the tree. Monkey jumped off the tree. So tree से वो separate हो गया अभी. So whenever you talk about separation of the place, you can use off. Monkey jumped off the tree. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Monkey jumped from the tree. So again, that is also right, but we are talking about more specific. अगर हम वहाँ पे jump off बोलेंगे, that will be more appropriate. That will be more appropriate. Monkey jumped off the tree. I am wiping off the screen. I am wiping off the screen. I am wiping off the screen. Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. Table से cup को move करना.
सर मुझे वो वाला
सर
समझ में नहीं
वाइपिंग
आया.
ऑफ
I
द
am
स्क्रीन,
हाँ.
वाइपिंग ऑफ द स्क्रीन में क्या अलग हुआ, किससे? थोड़ा सा डाउट है.
Wiping off the screen में आप देखो क्या होता है. वाइप जब आप कर रहे हो, असल में देखो ये सब जो वर्ड है, हम लोग सपोज हम लोग साफ कर रहे हैं, हम लोग स्क्रीन को जब साफ कर रहे हैं, सो आई एम वाइपिंग ऑफ. वाइपिंग ऑफ को यहाँ पे हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. बेसिकली हम लोग कोई उसमें अगर स्क्रीन में कोई धूल है या कोई कुछ भी है, गंदगी है, तो वहां से उसको निकाल रहे हैं.
और डस्ट को उससे अलग किया गया.
राइट. सो
डस्ट को स्क्रीन से अलग किया गया.
एब्सोल्युटली. सो उसमें हम लोग वाइपिंग ऑफ द स्क्रीन.
ओके. ओके.
मूव द कप ऑफ द टेबल. हम लोग ना बहुत जगह फ्रॉम यूज करते हैं. सो फ्रॉम से इजीली समझ में आ जाता है, बट अगर आप बोले कि मोर अप्रोप्रिएट आपको अगर बोलना है, देन जब भी कोई जगह पे पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है तो वहां पे आप ऑफ लगाओगे तो वो ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट होगा. द कप ऑफ द टेबल. लीव्स आर फॉलिंग ऑफ द ट्री. हम लोग देखो हर जगह में ना हम लोग फ्रॉम लगाते हैं, क्योंकि सेपरेशन है तो कभी कभी हम लोग फ्रॉम ज्यादा लगाते हैं, लेकिन लीव्स आर फॉलिंग ऑफ द ट्री. ट्री से अलग हो रहे हैं वहां पे. लीव्स आर फॉलिंग ऑफ द ट्री. Prepositions are, as I said, prepositions are very complex. आपको लगेगा कि यहाँ पे फ्रॉम भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पे ऑफ भी हो सकता है. सो बट आप देखोगे these kind, when we speak in this way, जब आप लोग ऑफ लगाएंगे ना, that will be more appropriate. बात है यहाँ पे appropriation का. Okay. He is getting off the bus. Getting off the bus. बस से सेपरेट हो. Is getting off the bus. I'm getting off the bus. हम लोग कभी कभी क्या बोलते हैं कि I'm coming out from the bus. I'm coming out from the bus. So सुनने में नॉर्मल लगता है, सामने वाला समझ जाता है, that's a different part. But if you speak more appropriate, you should always say I'm getting off the bus. I'm getting off the bus. Okay. Okay, guys, I think we can go ahead. This is number 2. It is called OFF, off. So normally off is used for place of separation. हम लोग सेपरेशन की जब बात करते हैं तो हम लोग वहां पे ये यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर द नंबर थर्ड, सिंस। सिंस, तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग हिंदी में से बोलते हैं इसको, सिंस। सिंस 1998, सिंस 1976, point of time, point of time. Okay, let's see the examples. Like since 2 a.m., 2 p.m., 2 o'clock, since 1998, since Monday. No, Monday से, हम लोग Monday से क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे, so since Monday. Since morning, हम लोग मॉर्निंग से स्टार्ट करेंगे या कुछ भी करेंगे मॉर्निंग से हिंदी में हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं से। Since birth, since that day, since my little brother was born, तो आप लोग ऐसे भी सेंटेंस में इसको यूज कर सकते हो since को। Since my little brother was born, since my mother, you know, or since that person had a problem. So since को हम लोग point of time में यूज करते हैं, point of time. Now we'll see some example. Since. Now sentence. I've been playing since morning. I've been playing since morning. You know, मैं morning से खेल रहा हूँ. So morning से मतलब कोई चीज जो मैं past से करता आ रहा हूँ, past मतलब morning से यहाँ पे. So morning से मैं खेलते हुए आ रहा हूँ और अभी भी मैं खेल ही रहा हूँ. So I've been playing since morning. Neha has been weeping since noon. Weeping, रोना. You know, नेहा दोपहर से रो रही है. Weeping. Neha has been weeping since noon. I've been studying since then. उसके बाद से मैं पढ़ाई start, you know, कर दिया. I've been studying since then. I've been studying since then. उसके बाद से मैंने पढ़ाई करता हुआ मैं आ रहा हूँ. उसके बाद since then कोई इंसिडेंट के बाद शायद बात नहीं, सॉरी, इंसिडेंट से कोई भी इंसिडेंट घटा था तब से I've been studying, you know. Mom is at home.
मतलब
Yes.
सर since then मतलब particular time से till
Since
now.
then मतलब maybe something happened or some situation is there. You know, जब से suppose जब से मैं फेल किया हूं तब से मैं सीरियसली पढ़ाई कर रहा हूं, तो मैं बोल सकता हूं आई हैव बीन स्टडीइंग सिंस देन. सिंस देन मतलब वो इंसिडेंट हुआ था जब मैंने फेल किया था. सो इस देन मींस एनी इंसिडेंट.
Last time.
हाँ, एनी इंसिडेंट हैपन. यहाँ पे देन मतलब कोई भी इंसिडेंट. आई हैव बीन स्टडीइंग सिंस देन. मॉम इज एट होम सिंस. I really want to see. Yes. So there is one word which gone hidden here. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
in case of present continuous, can I say I am doing since from that day? I am doing since that day.
See, try to understand. Whenever you are using since, it means it has been doing, it has been done for a longer time, right? Maybe from morning, maybe from last day. So it has been happening. So you cannot say, see, people will understand what you want to say, but you cannot say I am playing since morning. भाई हम लोग हम लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, we speak so many times that I am playing since morning or I'm studying since morning, but that is not appropriate. The appropriate is I have been studying since morning because I have been doing that thing. मैं वो चीज बहुत देर से कर रहा हूँ, या मॉर्निंग से कर रहा हूँ, या इवनिंग से कर रहा हूँ. So anything which you have been doing, वहां पे आप simply नहीं बोल सकते कि I am singing since morning. I have been singing since morning. देखो लोग समझ जाएंगे, that is different thing. Why we are doing class? We are doing class to make our English as perfect as we can. ये एक जर्नी है, ये जर्नी शायद कभी खत्म ही ना हो. It is a long term process. We are learning every day. You are learning, even I am learning. And I still believe that every day I am learning something new. So that's what I am doing since it's grammatically right, but not appropriate for these kind of sentences. जहाँ पे आप since का use करते हो. I believe you guys have written down. Now we'll go for the next. That is called for. For. Okay. For stands for duration of time. Duration of time. कितने देर, duration, the time duration it talks about. I think when we'll see the sentence, it will be more clear. For 2 minutes, 2 hours, 2 weeks, or 2 months. For long, for a long, for a long, for a while, for many days. Duration of time. For 2 minutes, for 2 hours, for 2 weeks, for 2 months. Duration of time. For a long, for a while, for many days. Let's see the sentences. Duration of time. Ram has been walking for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से walk कर रहा है. Ram has been walking for 2 hours. Duration of time. तो यहाँ पे हम since तो नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि यहाँ पे duration of time है, but यही sentence को हमने थोड़ी देर पहले since के हिसाब से भी बनाया था. But when we are talking about duration, कितने घंटे, 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे, so in that case we will use for. She had been here for 10 minutes. वो यही थी 10 मिनट के लिए. She had been here for 10 minutes. वो यही थी कुछ देर तक, वो यही थी. She had been here for 10 minutes. वो 10 मिनट के दौरान यही थी भाई, वो चली गई, अभी नहीं है वो. I have been playing for a long, बहुत देर से मैं खेल रहा हूँ. I have been playing for a long.
Have been duration.
Sir, I can tell a sentence.
Yes.
Sachin Tendulkar is batting from morning.
If you say morning, it will be better because you are talking about a particular time. In that case, you should use since. In that case, you should use since morning. But अगर आप ये बोल रहे हो कि 2 घंटे से खेल रहा है, या एक ड्यूरेशन दे रहे हो, बहुत देर से खेल रहा है, 3 घंटे से खेल रहा है, in that case आप since मत लगाओ. In that case, you use for.
Okay, sir.
Mom is at home for a while. Mom is at home for a while. कुछ देर के लिए. Mom is at home for a while. तो कुछ देर के लिए या लंबे समय के लिए. So it talks about the duration of time. Duration of time.
Sir, here I have one question, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Sir, we often use that since our childhood. So is it appropriate to use since? Because since our childhood means from childhood till now. So we are speaking about a duration only. So that time we can use
Since
for or since?
childhood is a
Particular
point of time. It's not a duration of time. It's a point of time. Since childhood is a situation, is a position. Since childhood, I have been doing this. So since is not a childhood is not a duration. You can say the duration, childhood can be used in a duration, it was 10 years when I was a child. You are talking about a duration, but when you say since childhood is a time तब से लेके आज तक. तो आप since लगाओगे तो better है वहाँ पे for childhood थोड़ी होता है. For 10 years. No, like आप बोल सकते हो when I was child, in those 10 years, for those 10 years, like that you can say. Yes, somebody asked me something.
सर मैं बोल रही हूँ. तो ये since मतलब हो गया लगभग और for हो गया exact time. 2 घंटे, 2 साल, 10 साल.
लेकिन लगभग वाली बात मतलब मैं नहीं समझ रहा हूँ, because it be since आप तभी लगाओगे जब एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के बारे में आप बताओगे, चाहे वो मंडे हो या 6 बजे हो, या जब आप बोलोगे 6 बजे वो खेल रही थी, 6 बजे से खेल रही थी, तो 6 बजे से तो सिंस 6. लेकिन
जैसे
अगर
कि ये मिठाई की दुकान सिंस 1945 से है, तो वो ऐसे हो सकता है.
राइट. लेकिन अगर आप बोलोगे ये मिठाई की दुकान 2 साल से है, तो ये है
then it is for.
Yes, तब
then it is for.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you.
Okay guys,
sir,
yes, tell me.
We can use since for a longer time, for period is short term.
It's not about longer time. Since morning भी बोल सकते हैं. We can say since morning. Suppose आप अभी afternoon में आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, आपको किसी को बोलना हो तो आप बोल सकते हो I have been studying since morning.
The point of time.
Continuity में सर continuity जो चल रहा है.
हाँ, अभी भी
continue चल रहा है, continue.
जरूरी नहीं कंटिन्यू चल रहा है. I had been भी हो सकता था, कि मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ, कब से चल रहा था या कब से चल रहा है. मॉर्निंग से चल रहा था या मॉर्निंग से चलता हुआ आ रहा है. तो इट्स वी टॉक अबाउट. तो सिंस जरूरी नहीं कि सिंस को हम लोग 10 साल पुराना है तो सिंस लगाए, नहीं. सिंस को मॉर्निंग में भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं.
We can use the particular point of the time.
Yes, absolutely. The point of time. The point of time.
Of time, right.
Okay. Now we have talked about this for. So for normally we use for duration of time, for 2 hours or for 10 minutes or for a long or for a while, we can use for. Okay, now we'll go for, again for also used it for purpose. के लिए, in Hindi we say के लिए. For, we use it for purpose. We can see some sentences. I'm going Delhi for study. So for can be used for purpose. He came here for money. The boy did it for you. The boy did it for you. So whenever you talk about purpose, you can use for. So one was duration, one is purpose.
Sir, I am going to Delhi for study. हो सकता है?
I am going to Delhi for study. हो सकता है. हो सकता है. But I am going Delhi for study भी हो सकता है. Even for we use it for exchange. के बदले में हम लोग कभी कभी बोलते हैं इसके बदले में. For exchange, you know, for को use करते हैं to exchange. We can see some example. I gave my mobile for rupees 500. So exchange. You bought a pen for rupees 5. Papa gave me money for work. So we can use it के बदले में. In Hindi we say के बदले में. पापा ने काम के बदले में मुझे पैसे दिए. Papa gave me money for work. He bought a pen for rupees 5. I gave my mobile for rupees 500. So we can use it for it.
I can tell.
Yes?
I have given my fridge for 500 for rupees 500.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys, now we'll go for very important, that is called buy. 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 Very important because it has multiple purposes. Buy. Okay, let's see the purposes. In Hindi we say द्वारा. कभी कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना द्वारा. इसके द्वारा ये हो रहा है. मेरे द्वारा ये हुआ है. So बाई का मतलब हिंदी में द्वारा हम लोग जब बोलते हैं वो भी हो सकता है. इवन से भी हो सकता है. से. इवन एक हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं तक. तक. इवन जब हम लोग बगल में बोलते हैं तब भी हम लोग बाई का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. बाई. बगल में. Now how we use it हम लोग इसको देखेंगे. So there are 4 different uses. द्वारा, से, तक, बगल में. Why I'm using Hindi so that we can relate with the sentence. Okay. थोड़ा द्वारा में देखते हैं हम लोग. नॉर्मली हम लोग कभी भी कोई पैसिव सेंटेंसेस यूज करते हैं तो वहां पे द्वारा लगाते हैं. पैसिव सेंटेंस में जैसे I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. मुझे स्टॉप किया गया किसी के द्वारा. मुझे रोका गया किसी के द्वारा. I was stopped by someone. We were informed by manager. हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दिया गया मैनेजर के द्वारा. We were informed by manager. He was scolded by mom. He was scolded by mom. Mom के द्वारा उसे डांट पड़ी. So guys, this is the example of द्वारा. अगर आप कहीं पे भी द्वारा का यूज कर रहे हो तो आप बाई यूज कर सकते हो. I was stopped by someone. We were informed by manager. He was scolded by mom. Okay. अभी हम लोग देखेंगे the next. Say, to travel by some vehicle. हम लोग कभी कभी बस से आते हैं, गाड़ी से आते हैं, साइकिल से आते हैं. तो say, I traveled by bus. Guys, these are very easy sentences, but we try to understand the whole meaning. Is coming by noon flight. वो दोपहर के फ्लाइट से आ रहा है. Is coming by noon flight. I was going to gym by bus. I was going to gym by bus. So we are using by here. So guys, these are some of the functions of by. In Hindi we say to travel by some vehicle. Okay, अब हम लोग बात करेंगे तक. With time. With time. इसके साथ टाइम का रिलेशन होता है. तो चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं कुछ सेंटेंस वैसे. I will leave by 4 o'clock. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं कभी कभी, I will leave at 4 o'clock. आप बोलना चाहते हो कि मैं 4 बजे तक चला जाऊंगा. I will leave by 4 o'clock. तो तब आप I will leave at नहीं बोलोगे. मैं 4 बजे जाऊंगा at लगा सकते हो, लेकिन आप किसी को बोल रहे हो मैं 4 बजे तक चला जाऊंगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं रुकूंगा. I will leave by 4 o'clock. He will finish by morning. We will finish by morning. हम लोग कल सुबह तक फिनिश कर देंगे. तक. Will finish by morning. Will finish by morning. I go to gym by 7 p.m. मैं 7 बजे तक जिम जाऊंगा. I go to gym by मैं जाता हूँ, sorry. I go to gym by 7 p.m. मैं 7 बजे तक जिम चला जाता हूँ. I go to gym by 7 p.m. So when you say tak in Hindi, we use these preposition by. Okay. I believe you guys are writing down everything. Okay, now we'll go for the last one, that is called, bagal mein. In Hindi we say bagal mein. आप सेंटेंस देखोगे तो समझ जाओगे. बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है और नॉर्मली बहुत कम लोग यूज करते हैं इसको. नेक्स्ट टू, एडजेसेंट और बिसाइड. किसी के बगल में या नियर में या किसी के नेक्स्ट में हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे I was standing by him. बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है. हम लोग बहुत समय ये सब सेंटेंस यूज नहीं करते. हम लोग लिखते हैं I was standing beside him लिखते हैं कभी कभी. तो beside के जगह हम लोग by भी यूज कर सकते हैं. वो by का मतलब ही यहाँ पे है beside. I was standing by him. मैं इसके बगल में खड़ा था. I was standing by him. by यहाँ पे द्वारा नहीं है. यहाँ पे हमारा टोटली डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन है. I was standing by him. Who is sitting by you? कौन है तुम्हारे बगल में बैठा हुआ? Who is sitting by you? मतलब next to you. कौन है आपके बगल में बैठा हुआ है? Who is sitting by you? हम लोग यहाँ पे next to या beside यूज करते हैं, लेकिन we can use here by. Who is sitting by you? He lives by my house. बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है ये. वो मेरे घर के बगल में रहता है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं कि he lives by my house. He lives by my house. मतलब बगल में या सामने या नेक्स्ट एकदम बगल में ही है. He lives by my house. Yes. Any question till now? If there is any question till now, then please ask. I'll stand by him. कभी कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं तुम्हारे बगल में रहूंगा. I will stand by you.
So I have a doubt that
Yes.
you will think that my father is sitting by me. It will be right or wrong.
Can you please be louder? Your voice is not coming, Kushal.
My father is sitting by me. It is right or wrong.
Absolutely right. My father is sitting by me. Absolutely right. वो मेरे बगल में है. We can use it. We can use it.
Okay, sir.
सर
In
सर नेक्स्ट टू एडजेसेंट एंड बिसाइड, ये तीनों शब्द को छोड़ के हम लोग उसका बगल प्लेस में बाय भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
Absolutely, absolutely. एकदम सही है. जहाँ जहाँ हम लोग next लगाते हैं, adjacent लगाते हैं या beside लगाते हैं, we can use by also.
স্যার ইন তাক ইন হিন্দি বাংলায় এটা কি চারটের মধ্যে বোঝাচ্ছে এরকম টাইপের, যে চারটের মধ্যে কাজটা কমপ্লিট করব?
Absolutely, absolutely. একদম ঠিক বলছো. We'll see the time. Yes. I will leave by. আমি চারটের মধ্যে বেরিয়ে আমি ছেড়ে দেবো বা I'll finish it off. Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. See, preposition is such a thing. No, I normally, if you ask me personally, I feel if I use all the preposition at the same time, people will become confused. That's the reason I have chosen 5 which are normally used. And now the main session, I will give you the topic. And in that topic, you have to use all the application, not all the preposition. Of course, all the preposition with all the preposition application, the uses. It's not about only the preposition. I'm talking about सारे preposition के जो different application है, you have to use from a different application. मतलब मैं समझा दूं क्योंकि बाद में कहीं आप लोग को क्वेश्चन ना हो ज्यादा. तो अगर आप फ्रॉम में बोलोगे तो आपको सम प्लेस में भी उसका टॉपिक में बोलना है, फिर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में भी उसको घुसाना है, फ्रॉम को सोर्स में भी घुसाना है, ऑफ के प्लेस ऑफ सेपरेशन में भी उसको लाना है. सिंस तो इजी है, सिंस तो कर ही लोगे आप लोग. फॉर भी इजी है, ज्यादा एप्लीकेशन नहीं है, खाली ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम है. फिर फॉर को फॉर का एक्सचेंज है. फिर अब बाई का जो है चारों एप्लीकेशन, द्वारा, से, तक, बगल में, ये चारों एप्लीकेशंस को आपको यूज करने हैं. ओके.
फॉर का भी फॉर वी कैन ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम, पर्पस, एक्सचेंज.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली. Okay, now the topic is, and I will give you 5 minutes time. 5 मिनट. अगर थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हुआ तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा 10 मिनट. ठीक है. 5 मिनट में अगर आप तैयार हो जाते हो तो यू कैन स्टार्ट. सो इस बार टॉपिक नहीं है, इस बार ना मैं एक पिक्चर दिखाऊंगा आपको एक पिक्चर. आई विल शो यू अ पिक्चर and you have to see the picture and you have to create a story. And in that story, all the prepositions should be nicely used. Okay, guys. Now, I should start my timer on here. Okay. So first of all, look at the picture. Very nice picture. Yes. Look at the picture. It's a very nice picture. You have minimum 5 minutes, but today is a preposition, so if you take 10 minutes, मुझे नहीं लगता इतना time लगेगा, but minimum 5 minutes में होना चाहिए. Okay, guys, so your time starts now. उल्टी गिनती start हो चुकी है, 5 minutes का फिलहाल. Start creating it. Make a topic, use the whole story, use all the preposition with their different applications.
A very good evening to everyone. Today I'm presenting a story in front of you all. I think you should entitle my story. I'm just narrating the story. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a lady who was living in a small town. She was living there since 2000. She had been living there since 2004. But now that the situations are getting worse day by day, so she have to leave off that place and moving towards a new place. Her new house is so small. That's why she can't. Okay, my voice clear. Okay. Living there since 2004. Due to financial crisis, she had left off that place and moved to a smaller house. In that smaller house, she can't kept her small little dog. She have two sons. One day she was just moved. One day his one kid suffering from fever. He just heard from the neighborhood that there is a doctor over there who gave good medicines. She left her both kids in the house and left off the house to getting the medicines. She was coming from that doctor was coming direct from the Bhutan. The boys are sitting by the sofa and playing playing by the ball. Then they both saw a small fox there. They want to running off the house, but there is no space for it. That fox was so cunning and came here for food, and he was roaming here and there for 1 hour for getting that food, but he didn't get that food. That's why he came inside the house and just yelling on that kids. The kids get frightened. That lady came into the house and she take off her cap. She was screaming that what happened to you? What happened to you? Then a small little dog came to their place, just hearing the screaming and yelling, and the both fought against each other, but that dog was dead. Thank you.
Good evening to all. The image is all about a family. Being the head and controller of the family, mother is cleaning off the room with the nice and upgraded duster which she bought from the newly opened shopping mall. She bought it for rupees 100 only. Mom has not been at home for 2 hours, and when she came back, mom hasn't been at home for 2 hours, and that's why she gave all the responsibility to the caretaker of the home, and she went to the market by bus and told the caretaker of the house that she will come back by noon. The two childs are too small and they are sitting on the carpet and has been playing since morning. As they are playing playing from a long time, that's why they have been scolded by the mom. The younger child, who is sitting by the elder one, trying to hide his face order to get off from scolding. That's it, sir.
One beautiful Sunday, she heard from her friend about a TV show which she wanted to watch. She went off the home to market to buy some stuff. When she returned, she found the house messy. She picked the clothes and toys off the sofa. Since morning, both the kids were watching TV. She took them for bath. She gave them food. As she was about to watch her favorite program, she was stopped by her mother-in-law. She told her that her husband is coming by noon flight. He would be here by 2 o'clock. Then her mother-in-law sat by her and she put the remote on the table and ran in the kitchen. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Very good. You did not use since?
Yes, sir, I used. Since morning, both the kids were
Okay,
watching
okay,
TV.
okay. But very good. It was very nice. It was very controlled and the story was very smooth. Very nice, I would say. In a very short
Thank
time,
you.
you made a very good difference. Okay,
Thank
who
you.
is next?
Ravindra sir.
Okay.
Ravindra sir.
Okay, just I'll go to Ravindra now. After Ravindra, I'll go to Kushal Poptani. Okay, Ravindra, please be ready. Yeah, go ahead.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I have seen sir have sent me a picture, and according to picture, I have noted some things. The topic is two children are playing since 4 p.m. and they are planning for next day game from 8 a.m. onwards. During play, they are feeling hot from burning wood. Her mother asked to get off from the carpet and go to their room. Her mom also busy since morning in marketing, and mom has taken.
The lady lives with their two children in a small house. And the lady was outside since morning and finally she come from outside. Then she is taking off her hat. She saw that the room messed up by her two children. They were watching TV for a while and the two children were sitting by sofa. Now I am seeing a red bag which is looking very expensive. I think she bought the bag for rupees 2000 from Adidas. That's all.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Actually, house with children is a happy home. There were two children sitting by each other. The television is brought from the shop which is opened since 2000. The mother, Sita, is working from 10, but still the things are messed up. Maybe they would have returned from a picnic or a park. Sita is taking the cap off the sofa. They have been to the park by walking. They bought an orange-colored football for rupees 170. They have been to the park for having fun. Sita is cleaning the house for long.